Hello, Namaste, Konnichiwa, welcome to Sunny Sensei. Today, we are going to prove a very challenging trigonometric identity. 1 by cos theta minus cos theta times 1 by sin theta minus sin theta equals 1 by tan theta plus cot theta. In this case, the left hand side looks a bit messy, while the right hand side is clean and compact. Always start with the complicated side. So we will begin with the left hand side. 1 by cos theta minus cos theta times 1 by sin theta minus sin theta. Now let's look at the first factor. The LCM is cos theta. So the numerator becomes 1 minus cos square theta. Similarly, for the second factor, the LCM is sin theta. And the numerator becomes 1 minus sin square theta. Now what's 1 minus cos square theta? And what's 1 minus sin square theta? It is time to apply this fundamental identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals 1. We can rearrange the terms and write it as sin square theta equals 1 minus cos square theta, or cos square theta equals 1 minus sin square theta. So we replace 1 minus cos square theta with sin square theta and 1 minus sin square theta with cos square theta and get sin square theta over cos theta times cos square theta over sin theta. 1 sin theta and 1 cos theta cancel out from the numerator and the denominator, and we are left with sin theta cos theta. How do we proceed from here? Our left hand side is now sin theta cos theta, but this seems pretty far away from our target, the right hand side, which is 1 over tan theta plus cot theta. This is a challenge for you. Please pause the video and give it a try. Alright, from here we have got two options. I'll cover both of them one by one. Let's start with the first one. Take another careful look at the left hand side. The denominator is 1. We are going to replace this 1 in the denominator with something we know is always true in trigonometry. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals 1. So we get sin theta cos theta over sin square theta plus cos square theta. Look at our target, the right hand side. We need 1 in the numerator, but we currently have sin theta cos theta. To get 1, we divide both the numerator and the denominator with sin theta cos theta, and our left hand side becomes sin theta cos theta over sin theta cos theta divided by sin square theta plus cos square theta over sin theta cos theta. We cancel the common terms in the numerator and we are left with 1. Our left hand side is now 1 divided by sin square theta over sin theta cos theta plus cos square theta over sin theta cos theta. We cancel out the common factors in the denominator And we are left with 1 over sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta over sin theta. Now, sin by cos is tan and cos by sin is cot. So we have 1 over tan theta plus cot theta, which is our right hand side. The left hand side equals right hand side. But hold on, we have one more approach to explore. Let's rewind a bit and go back again to the left hand side. We simplify it. And as before, we end up with sin theta cos theta. This time we stop here. This is our equation number 1. Now we move to the right hand side, which is 1 over tan theta plus cot theta. Tan is sin by cos and cot is cos by sin. So our right hand side becomes 1 over sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta by sin theta. This equals 1 divided by sin square theta plus cos square theta over cos theta sin theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So we have 1 divided by 1 over cos theta sin theta. So our right hand side equals sin theta cos theta. This is equation number 2. From 1 and 2, left hand side equals right hand side. And with this, we have proven this identity. We are done. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Sunny Sensei. Thank you and see you again soon.